dripping Saint Laurent, she got the perfect face. Thumbing through the deck of 52 and she the highest rank. She don't answer questions, she mysterious like the ace of spades. Rebel kind of curious, but nervous when it comes to fate.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe and welcome to another vlog, a chill day in my life. So today is the last day of online college and from tomorrow I'll be going to college. I'm kind of happy but also sad at the same time because itni garmi hai Delhi mein and I'll have to travel so much. But anyway, college reopens, that means college vlogs are back finally. So stay tuned for all of them. But anyway, today's day is going to be fairly productive and fun because in the first half, which is right now, I'm going to attend classes, study and all of that. But later in the day, I'm meeting my school friends and we're going for bowling and arcade, and that will definitely be fun. Of course, I'm going to take you all along with me. But anyway, let's get this day started. Okay, firstly, I'm going to attend the last class for today, that is of accounts. So let's join in for that. Lunch while working on our consulting project for Marksoc. Okay, so we worked quite a bit on our project and हमने अच्छा काम कर लिया. So we're sorted with that. Right now it's like 2:40 and I will get back to studying. I have about an hour before I have to go. तो एक घंटे में मैं सोच रही हूँ accounts ही पढ़ लेती हूँ. Oh, by the way, in the last video as I told you all कि redemption और debentures है, तो काफी people said कि अच्छा 12th का ही syllabus आएगा. So yeah, I mean college का काफी कुछ is your class 12th. It's just that it's to the next level or it's a higher level in college. Like even corporate laws right here is exactly class 12 ka business studies, but obviously it's a bit higher in the sense that they've told us the steps of completing every process, or for example how to actually start a company, how to register a company. So that's the difference, but काफी manageable hai. It's not easy but it's not difficult also. Anyway, let's get to work. I'm finally done studying accounts. काफी कुछ cover कर लिया, so good. And now it's time to go out, so I'm gonna quickly get ready for that. This is the fit I'm thinking of, so I'll wear this crop top with these jeans and probably throw on this shirt on top. But yeah, let's get ready. And here's the complete fit. So this top is from Westside, jeans from H&M, the shirt is from a local shop in Missouri. And now let's quickly get ready. Now it's time to glam up a little bit, but first skincare. You already know my skincare routine. It's very simple. I don't like to use a lot of products, but using a serum is my favorite thing ever. And recently I've been trying out Dermaco's daily face serums. I have with me the 5% niacinamide daily serum as well as the 5% vitamin C daily serum. I've actually been using them for quite some time now and I genuinely like it. These serums have fragrance-free formulations and they're even powered with a penetration booster that helps the serum to deeply penetrate into the skin, making them super effective. Right now I'll be using the 5% niacinamide serum. I keep switching between the both of them. I'm just gonna apply a few drops of the serum on my face and neck and massage them gently until it's completely absorbed. The benefits of this serum are that they help you to reduce your acne marks and dark spots while also helping you to even your skin tone. It works by inhibiting melanin production and giving a clear and spotless skin with regular application. The 5% vitamin C serum helps you to fight pigmentation as well as helps you to brighten your skin. It has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help to reduce dark spots and give you a radiant skin. All in all, I would highly recommend you guys to check these products out. And in fact, the best part about buying from Dermaco is that Dermaco will link your order to a child that they help educate with Bhumi, and they've pledged to help 10,000 students across the year which is absolutely amazing. So I'll leave all the links in the description. In fact, you can use my code AG2022 on Dermaco's website to get a 20% off on any of your order. But apart from that, you can also check out these products on Amazon, Flipkart and Nykaa. It's also recommended that you top off their serums with sunscreen, and obviously I'm heading out, so I'm gonna use a sunscreen. Now that my basic skincare is out of the way, let's apply a little bit of blush, a gloss, and I'll be good to go. And lastly, let's pop on some accessories. All of these are from Testo. And the look is complete. When your base is perfect, you don't even need so many products, and yeah, we're sorted. I'm gonna wear my black sneakers and let's get going. So here's what went down. None of us had done bowling before. And our first round was just horrible.
Wow, Namrata, wow!
Literally every shot in the gutter. This is too funny.
No! You can do it, you can do it.
Then Vani knew the trick on how to actually do it. And after we started practicing that, oh, we've killed it.
Sikhate hue, Vani to Namrata.
I mean, at least we did fairly good, so enjoy the videos now.
हाँ भाई बहुत लंबे हो गए हैं। कैसा लग रहा है नम्रता जीतते हुए? You can do it. लूजर सेकेंड राउंड में मिस अनन्या जाते हुए। Whoa! Let's check the score. I should officially. I'm winning. तुमसे 10 पीछे. तुमसे 10 पीछे. I'm gonna beat you. क्या मुझसे आगे जाएगी? लूजर बनेगी। वो स्किल भाई नम्रता ने फेल दिया आज तो। दोनों का कटल में स्कोर्स देखते हुए।
And after that fun session, we went to arcade. हम लोग पता नहीं क्यों dance off कर रहे हैं, but enjoy us doing these groovy moves. So हमें इस song में बिल्कुल मजा नहीं आया, and we decided to dance on Gangnam Style.
सीधी स्टेप करो।
And then of course we had to play air hockey.
Oh my, it's full of
And finally it's time for food.
हम इतने फनी लग रहे हैं. So true.
बिल्डिंग कितनी कूल लग रही है लेकिन इसमें मुझे लग रहा है
अच्छा ये
सिंगापुर में
है. Yeah.
मैं टायर्ड हूँ मैं सुबह से. एक फाइनल ऐसे वो एक पोज.
Oh hi.
And I've just come here to end the vlog. Oh my god, what a day it was. We were catching up after so long and arcade and bowling is just amazing. I did bowling for the first time and बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया and I want to go there back again. Highly recommend that. But anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here. So if you made it till here, comment these emojis and thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends. Follow me on Instagram and until next time, bye.